Hello, this is Phyllis Wheeler, a computer lady from motherboardbooks.com. I'm going to teach you today how to do animations with MicroWorlds EX. So we're looking at my Windows XP desktop, and I'm going to click on the MicroWorlds EX icon and choose free mode. And so here we have our desktop and everything. First thing we have to do in MicroWorlds EX is hatch a turtle. So we go over to our turtle icon and just put the turtle down here, close to our command center. The command we're going to use is set shape, S-E-T-S-H. And then we're going to have a bracket, an open bracket, and then we're going to put a list of shapes in there, and then a closing bracket. So we need to choose our list of shapes. Where are we going to do that? Well, let's first take a look in the Shape Center. It's this tab right there. Well, look at that. It is totally empty. We got to do something about that. So there's this little drawing icon. It's yellow. Click on that, and we see the painting and clip art window. I'm going to drag it over here where it doesn't cover the Shape Center. And the animation shapes are the ones with the two little guys. So here's our list of animation shapes. So what we have to install these. Let's install this one. We pause over him. His name is Bird1. We need to know that. Bird1, no space. Let's drag him over here. And Bird2, no space. Let's drag him over there. That will be sufficient for us at this point. So we're going to go back down to Command Center and type in Bird1, Bird2, and bracket, and enter. So the way an animation works in MicroWorlds is that you give the computer a list of shapes, and every time the code comes to forward, it goes back to the shape list and changes shape. So here we have forward 2. You just changed its shape. So you notice how that's working. Well, let's not be so repetitive. Let's use the repeat command. Let's try that. Repeat 40 times, forward 2, and push enter. Whoop. Well, that was not what I call a good animation because it was too fast. So we have a command called wait. So how about forward 2, wait 2? Let's try that. Push enter. Ah, that is a much better animation. Well, what if we wanted our little hummingbird to be flying forward instead of up? We need to. Do you remember when he had his turtle shape on? The turtle head was pointing up, and that indicates to us that that he's going to go up. The turtle's head points in the direction he's going to go. If you tell him forward, he goes in the way his head is pointed. So, although our turtle here is wearing a bird shape, his head is really pointing up. So we want to change that. Do you remember how to do that? From the drawing tutorial, it would be right 90. So we're going to execute that, and now I know you can't see it, but that turtle's head should be pointing to the right underneath the bird shape. Let's execute the animation line again, see if it really is. Oh, it is. He's going to the right now. Very, very cool. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to create a procedure. So let's copy all of our code here, or the part we're going to need, which is this. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go up to Edit and Copy. And then let's go over to the Procedures tab right there. And let's type, our cursor's up here at the top. Let's type in a name for it. How about to fly? And then we want to paste our code in there, the code that's on the clipboard. So we're going to go back over here to Edit, Paste, and sure enough, there it is. And we need the word end. So we got some extra code in here we don't need, these two lines here. Let's delete that. And let's see if we have just taught our bird the word fly. So let's go down to the command center, and we're going to type in the word fly. There he goes. We have taught our bird a new word. Very cool.